say that. I knew you were gonna do that.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
When your neighbor owns a husky,
Freya's favorite.
Big one, small one.
Get him. Get him, Bono. What the fuck, dude? Look at this distinguished gentleman.
¿No quieres panecito? No, güey. ¿No te gusta? No, bueno, yo te iba a ofrecer. Ni pedo.
Ellie, not his leg, baby.
Hey, hey.
A ver, ¿qué tal esos dientes de porcelana? ¡Ay!
Soy piraña. Están en el...
Look at this ball on there.
Ruki Vier. Ruki Vier.
He's got a fucking camera. No, go open the door. They can't tell him before it's...
Fancy, what in the devil's hell are you doing? Are you stuck? Are you stuck?
Oh! She was the inspiration.
You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go to...
Sí. Dale, pues al sordo. Dile que ya está el pollo. Al sordo, Mike.
Sasha, can he come in? Thank you.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that. The happy dog.
Oh, what? Seriously? So as soon as we find out who you are, trust you will be dealt with. Period.
Oh, shit. Hey, Paul. No.
Bring your butt here.
I put this specifically to keep her out
from getting this tree. Look at that.
I had a couple Red Bulls. You ever had a Red Bull? I never had a Red Bull before, but I had a Red Bull last night. I really like Red Bull.
I see. Who was interested first? Who said I love you first?
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to. I'm having a panic attack.
How you doing?
Since you took it from me? No. No. Oh, I'm so fired.
Stop! That thing could probably jump over the fence.
Hey. What? What's happening?
We have Pepper. Not appreciating.
So cute! So cute!
Doesn't matter, because I'm going to take a nap.
I don't know. How am I supposed to tell if someone fed you or not? I can't tell. I don't know. You always look hungry. You always look starving. Did you have dinner?
He's gonna get you. Woo-wee. Ooh, that thing will tear you up.
Ooh. No, nothing. You're scaring me.
Show me your bad dog. I don't want to see any of these like good boys and good girls sitting for a cookie. Show me that bad dog. I want the...
Right at you. Right at you, big boy. You don't like that? No? No, hey. No.
Oh my god.
Do you want something? Do you want? What do you want?
Where's that toy at? That's not a toy. That's a tree. Oh my god. Oh my god, help me.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Va par ta papy. Va par ta papy. Viens. Viens.
Mira, calma, levanta esa ventana. Deja el chisme. Deja el chisme, chismoso.
I'm taking a nap!
You want to take a nap?
I'm taking a nap here.
Okay, take a nap right there then.
What are you talking about?
It back to his feet. Is he going to deliver sweet? Oh, the claymore attack from out of nowhere! I think John Cena.
I put all of my clean laundry on my bed so I can fold it, and look at this. Look at this. He's got my panties on. Rudy.
It's a baby. Oh, Papa.
Poco!
Vicky! Vicky, are you there? Vicky! Viste que se vengan a capacitar, era insistir continuamente.
¡Epa, epa! ¡Ay, qué pasó, gordo! Primrose. Primrose. Prim. Stop, stop, stop! Prim, Prim! There we go!
Can I touch you with my feet?
Like figuring out how to make it run, and then Gavin, after 3 minutes of it running, proceeded.
What's wrong? Bye-bye!
Huh? No. Go further away. No. 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 No.
Chodź.
She has walked around the tree, and I'm trying to walk around to untangle it, but she just keeps following me. So now we're just walking in circles. Steph, can you stop?
Com os cachorros, esse aqui tá aqui comendo. E olha a fila, gente, esperando a hora deles. Oh, good boy! Good boy! Oh, good boy!
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
You want to get a cheeseburger from McDonald's?
Luna! No! No, Luna, stop. Give me it. Give me it. Give me it. Bad girl.
It probably didn't even game.
Saw.
Elfie. Oh no!
No, it's okay.
Get it. Oh.
Seriously?
Here. Don't be jealous. I can love McConnell.
These two dogs know how to enjoy life.
Like you. Yeah, maybe this time I make a surprise. Yeah, let's do it.
Él sintió el verdadero terror y finalmente se arrepintió de haber provocado a Gohan.
Bigyan ako, kaganda, che.
Tone tan, fit and ready. Turn it up, cause it's getting heavy. Why?
Are you stuck? Heidi.
Wilf, get off the cat!
The only proof of life investigators have.
Wilf, get your fat ass off the cat! Oh, hello, you're the cutest. You're the cutest.
Kind of shocking or weird. I'll go first.
Dog hat, diggity dog. Nice.
How my dog sleeps next to me.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on, boy. Get your goddamn ugly ass.
Hey, I would like to kiss you on the mouth. And so what do you...
그치, 꼬라! 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 천천히 꼬라! 그치, 출라! 그치, 출라! 천천히 꼬라! 또 해, 꼬라! 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 알았어, 천천히 꼬라!
Martha. Martha. I think you're suffocating Reg. Martha? Martha.
Que yo te contaba, y los otros son, la choque con el otro choco son dos.
Did you chew up this pillow? Huh?
Guess somebody enjoys being an only dog again.
What are you doing?
Está fresco, está a gusto, está cómodo, ¿le hace falta algo o está...
Here you go, Rocky. I know how much you like wieners.
It looks like a meme.
God.